Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make AI music using Suno AI. Step by step, this is the exact process I used in my video, so follow along carefully. First, go to your browser tab and search for Suno AI. Click on the official link, and once the page loads, click Sign In or Sign Up to create your account. After signing in, you'll land on your dashboard right inside the Create section. Here, you can describe how you want your music, write your own prompt or idea directly in the box. If you're not sure what to write, open a new tab and go to ChatGPT. Ask it to give you a music description or prompt for Suno AI. Copy that description and paste it back into Suno's prompt box. You can also browse inspiration examples under the Create section to see how other tracks are made and get some ideas. Once your description is ready, click on Create and wait a few seconds for Suno to generate your track. When your music is ready, click on the three dots next to your generated tune, then choose Download to save it to your device. And that's it! You've just created your own AI music using Suno AI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more easy AI tutorials.